Are your legs aching by the end of the day? Do you struggle to get out of bed because of stiffness or dull, throbbing pain in your calves or thighs? You're not alone, dear friend. After 60, leg pain becomes a common part of life for many. Whether it's from arthritis, poor circulation, nerve pain, or simple overuse, it can rob you of your mobility and your peace of mind. But what if there was a natural, non-invasive way to ease that pain? What if just a few drops of a plant-based oil could help soothe inflammation, boost circulation, and melt away that discomfort? Today, we're diving into the top 3 essential oils that seniors over 60 can use to relieve leg pain naturally. And the best part? These oils don't just smell good. They're backed by science and centuries of use in traditional medicine. Stick around, because we'll not only tell you what these oils are, but also how to use them safely and effectively, including powerful DIY blends you can make at home. And don't forget to comment below. Have you ever tried essential oils for pain relief? What was your experience? Before we get started, do well to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss powerful health tips like this. If you've done that, let's get started. So, why is leg pain so common after 60? There are several reasons. 1. Loss of muscle mass. Sarcopenia can strain the joints and connective tissues. 2. Poor circulation from aging blood vessels can cause heaviness or cramping, especially at night. 3. Arthritis and inflammation in the knees or hips can radiate pain down the legs. 4. Nerve issues like sciatica or neuropathy, which often come with diabetes or spinal degeneration. While medications can help, they often come with side effects. That's why many seniors are turning to essential oils, a natural, gentle approach that supports the body's own healing process. Now let's get into the top 3 oils that have shown real promise. Essential oil number 1, peppermint oil. Let's start with a classic, peppermint oil. This oil has been used for over 2,000 years, dating back to ancient Egypt and Greece. Back then, healers crushed peppermint leaves to ease muscle aches and digestive problems. Today, modern science confirms what our ancestors already knew. Peppermint is more than just a refreshing scent. It contains menthol, which cools the skin and acts almost like a natural painkiller. But it doesn't stop at surface relief. Menthol also penetrates deep into muscle layers and improves blood flow. That makes it perfect for those nagging leg cramps or sore calves after standing or walking too long. A 2015 clinical review in the Journal of Clinical Pharmacy and Therapeutics found that topical application of peppermint oil helped reduce muscle pain and improved mobility in patients with musculoskeletal disorders. Another study in pain research and management revealed that peppermint oil significantly reduced pain in patients with tension headaches, showing its broad ability to relieve discomfort. For seniors, peppermint oil is especially beneficial because it improves circulation to the legs, helps relax tight muscles, and offers fast, localized pain relief. Here's how to use it. Mix 3 to 4 drops of peppermint essential oil with 1 tablespoon of carrier oil, like coconut or olive oil. Gently massage it into sore areas, especially calves, thighs, or knees. Do this 2 to 3 times a day for best results. Caution: never apply peppermint oil directly to the skin without dilution. It can irritate sensitive skin. Essential oil number 2, lavender oil. If there's one oil that belongs in every senior's cabinet, it's lavender oil. Yes, it's famous for relaxation and sleep, but did you know it's also a powerful pain reliever and nerve soother? Lavender oil has been treasured since the Roman Empire, when it was used in baths and massage for its calming and restorative effects. In the world of modern natural medicine, lavender is now recognized for its ability to reduce muscle tension, lower stress-induced pain, and relieve nerve inflammation. especially helpful for seniors dealing with restless legs or neuropathy. Lavender oil contains compounds like linalool and linalool acetate, which help reduce inflammation, calm nerve activity, and promote muscle relaxation. A 2016 study in the journal Complementary Therapies in Medicine found that patients who inhaled lavender oil after surgery reported significantly less pain than those who didn't. Another 2020 study from Pain Management Nursing showed that lavender massage helped reduce leg and back pain in elderly patients, especially when used consistently over a few weeks. Benefits for seniors. Helps relieve tension in tired, overworked leg muscles. Soothes the nervous system, especially helpful for those with restless leg syndrome. Promotes deeper sleep, which is essential for muscle repair and recovery. How to use it. Add 5 to 7 drops to a warm foot soak or leg bath. Or dilute with a carrier oil and gently massage into your legs before bedtime. You can also diffuse it in your bedroom to create a calming nighttime environment. Bonus tip. Lavender blends wonderfully with peppermint oil. Combine a few drops of each for a massage blend that offers both cooling and relaxing effects. Essential oil number 3, Eucalyptus oil. A powerful oil that improves circulation and reduces deep tissue pain. Eucalyptus contains cineol, a compound that reduces pain signals and inflammation in the body. It's also a natural vasodilator, which means it opens up blood vessels and increases blood flow. This is especially helpful for seniors with leg cramps, arthritis, or swelling. So if you suffer from leg pain caused by arthritis, circulation issues, or post-exercise soreness, eucalyptus oil can bring deep, penetrating relief. It also helps reduce fluid retention in the legs, a common concern among seniors, especially if you sit or lie down for long periods. A 2013 study in evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine showed that eucalyptus oil inhalation helped reduce pain and inflammation in post-knee surgery patients. And another study from BMC Complementary Medicine found that eucalyptus oil used in massage reduced knee arthritis pain and improved flexibility. How to use it. Mix 3 to 5 drops with a carrier oil. Rub it on sore or swollen legs. Or place a few drops in a steaming bowl of hot water and inhale the vapor to reduce inflammation systemically. Eucalyptus is also great when combined with lavender or rosemary oil for a complete anti-pain blend. Caution: avoid using eucalyptus near your eyes or broken skin. Also, people with asthma should test it carefully due to its strong aroma. Want to make a powerful all-in-one oil blend for daily use? Here's a DIY recipe just for seniors. Leg Relief Oil Blend. 3 drops peppermint oil, 3 drops eucalyptus oil, 4 drops lavender oil, 2 tablespoons of carrier oil like sweet almond or coconut oil. Mix well in a dark glass bottle and store in a cool place. Massage this into your legs in the morning and evening, or any time you feel pain or fatigue. You can also use this blend in a compress. Soak a small towel in warm water, wring it out, add a few drops of the blend, and place it over sore areas for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps the oils penetrate deeply and increases blood flow to the tissues. So there you have it: peppermint, lavender, and eucalyptus. 3 essential oils that can offer real relief from leg pain, stiffness, and discomfort after 60. They're easy to use, affordable, and gentle on the body. But like all natural remedies, consistency is key. Try using these oils daily for a few weeks and observe how your legs respond. And remember, always consult your doctor if you have chronic conditions or are taking medications, especially if you have circulatory or neurological concerns. Let's hear from you. Have you tried essential oils for leg pain or joint issues before? What worked for you? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Share it with someone who needs better health. And if you're over 60 and serious about aging well, staying independent, and protecting your health, subscribe to our channel. We've got more videos coming on how to protect your body, your brain, and your quality of life naturally. Don't go yet. Check out our videos on your screen and rebuild and maintain a better health before it is too late. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay young at heart.